Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 401. She has lived in London for 5 years. What tense is this? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect, action started in past, continues to present. Question number 402. While he was jogging, he saw an old friend. What tenses was jogging? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, past continuous, ongoing action in the past. Question number 403. At 8 p.m. tonight, I will be watching my favorite show. What tense is this? A. Simple future. B. Future perfect. C. Future continuous. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous, action ongoing at a specific future time. Question number 404. When I arrived, they had already left. What tense is had already left? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect, action completed before another past action. Question number 405. By next Christmas, I will have saved enough money for a car. What tense is this? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, future perfect, action completed before a future time. Question number 406. They had been talking for an hour before the teacher came in. What tense is had been talking? A. Past continuous. B. Past perfect. C. Past perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, past perfect continuous, duration up to a point in the past. Question number 407. By the time I retire, I will have been working for 40 years. What tense is this? A. Future continuous. B. Future perfect. C. Future perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, future perfect continuous, duration up to a point in the future. Question number 408. Which tense is used for scientific facts? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 409. Which tense is used for an action that is currently in progress? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous. C. Simple past. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, present continuous. Question number 410. Which tense is used for a completed action at an indefinite time in the past? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect. Like, share, comment and subscribe.